Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. It's red and white and it doesn't bite. And thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Okay, today we're just going to do a basic oh, pardon me. We're just going to do a basic program that checks if the target is a directory. So I'm going to start off by creating a subroutine called remove directory. Okay, so remove directory there. So we're going to create the path. My scalar path is equal to c/users mark/desktop. So for you, this will be different because this is my the path to my desktop. Yours will be different, so you'll have to find out what your path is. CHDIR, change directory to the path, and we're going to print out a message for the user to see, so the user knows what to do. Enter directory to remove. Okay, simple enough. Enter directory to remove, and then we're going to do my scalar directory, get some input from the user using standard input here, stdin, standard input, and then we're going to chomp it. Directory there. Now we come on to the conditional. So if, and we're going to use this E here, matches the directory. Oops, oh dear, matches the directory. We're going to do something. Put that back there, make it look a little bit nicer. So we're going to do something. We're going to print to the user, print removing directory. And we're going to use this command, rmdir, remove directory. So that's going to be scalar dir there. And print, let's say directory removed, and a new line there. Okay, or else we're going to say something like else we're going to print here, say target is not directory, can't remove. Okay, let's just run that. So it's going to be remove directory. So that's going to be directory. Okay, so we're just going to save that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a directory and I'm going to create a file. So I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to create the directory. I'm just going to call it A, and I'm going to create a text file, and just out of sheer laziness I'm going to name that A as well. So let's go back here, let's run the program, enter directory to remove. So I'm going to call it a.txt directory remove. I'll tell you what went wrong. that should have been a D for directory. That's what went wrong. So let's save it and let's try it again. Okay, so I'm going to type in the file name, so a.txt. Target is not directory, can't remove. Okay, let's try it again. So let's put in A. Removing directory, directory removed. Let's just have a look. And directory is removed. I'm just going to create another directory here because I might need one, or a folder as you call them in Windows. Okay, so that's for that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to remove that, and we're just going to write another little program to remove files like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to create subroutine remove file, if it is a file. Okay, so just going to do that. My scalar path again is equal to C users mark desktop. Again, let's change directory to there, to that path, which is going to be scalar path. Okay, print enter file to delete. Okay, some standard input there. So my scalar file is going to be equal to standard input. It's going to be chomp scalar file. Okay, here we come on to the conditional, and I'll be a little bit more careful this time. So I'm going to put this for file, to match a file, and what I've entered into the input there. So let's go down here. Let's just neaten that up a little bit. Okay. So we're going to tell the user what we're doing, what the program is doing. So the program will tell the user removing file. Okay, I'll tell you what, and I'll slow it down a little bit. I'll use sleep here, and I'll give it a 1 second pause so it actually looks like the program is working. Okay, now we're going to use unlink to delete this file. So it's going to be scalar file. And then we're going to tell the user that we've actually deleted that file. So file deleted. Okay, new line. There we go. And then we do the catch-all, the else here. So else. Let's say. Well, it could be else. Dyslexics untie. Else, there we go. Okay, so else. So we're going to tell the user print either target isn't file or doesn't exist. Okay, so I will be trying to delete first of all that folder that I created, the directory I created called A. So I'm going to be trying to delete that, but what we've got to do is we're going to call the program first, remove file, and like that. Okay, so let's save it. And we want to, this is for a file here, but we're going to try and remove a folder. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to try and remove the folder called A. Target isn't a file or doesn't exist. Correct, because it's a folder. Okay, let's try and remove the text file, which is a.txt. Hit enter, removing file. Oh dear, what's happened there? It's trying to check. I got a false positive there. Allow app. Okay, got it. Okay, file deleted. That was my AV that jumped on that then, and I've never had that before actually. So let's have a look here. So let's see if it's gone. And yeah, it's gone. It's okay. Back we are. So there you go, folkies. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to get a thumbs up. Drop me a comment, smart comment, no smart ass comments, please. Thank you very much. I've had enough of those, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.